What's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. In this video, I got a 2012 Chevy Cruze. This was my uncle's car. I bought this right after Thanksgiving from him. When I bought the car, he was battling stage 4 cancer. While I'm editing this video, he has lost his battle to cancer. But we're doing interior detail on this. I bought this car for my son. He got it for Christmas. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. With my Dewalt shop vac and my tornado door, I'm going to go along, start off doing all the vacuuming and getting that all done first. Yeah, so the shirt I'm wearing is the cleaner shirt. It's actually from Jamie the Cleaner. Got it from the cleaner stash. I like supporting other YouTube detailers that are out there. If you'd like to support us, you can buy a t-shirt or watch the videos with not skipping the ads, subscribing. I'll leave a link to the cleaner stash and to my website where you can get my t-shirts. So I started with Slather from Lithium Car Care. It kind of worked, but Slather is more of a mild cleaner. So later on, I do swap out to some other stuff too, because I need something a little bit stronger. And I always like using the steamer to help me clean everything and disinfect everything. Okay, so now that I've switched to the other side, I switched to the interior lather from the detail firm. It's a little bit stronger, but with the steam, for me, I'm getting the results I want. So the interior lather is one of my favorites for the interior detailing. I have it in my store with the Scrub Ninjas and everything else that you need for cleaning your products at detaildepot.co. For my upholstery, fabric, carpet cleaning, I use lightning fast from Chemical Guys. It's one of the very few things that Chemical Guys makes. It's actually pretty good. I've tried other fabric cleaners and carpet cleaners, but just keep coming back to lightning fast. Works pretty good. I don't really measure the dilution ratios. I get it somewhat close, but I just kind of mix it up and go. you made this long far in the video, tell me in the comments down below if you've ever lost anybody to cancer. If so, give us their name. Let's give them a shout out. Tell them that we miss them. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, we'll see you again. I'll have the links to everything that I use either on my website at detailedepot.co, or I'll have affiliate links to Car Supplies Warehouse. Both are appreciative. And also, if you want to comp yourself a t-shirt, I'll have a link there. If you want to get yourself a Jamie Lee Cleaner shirt, I'll have a link for that as well. See you guys next time.